What an experience it's going to be.
Yes, sir. Floor it.
Wow, it is unbelievable. It is not.
It is.
It's more than I expected. It is so much more. So much more than a passenger ride.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. When you're driving, you have all the feeling of the car. Like Niki Lauda says, you have to feel it in your ass.
You can definitely feel it this one.
Exactly. Perfect. Hit it. Higher RPM you are, bigger true crackle it gives you. 5,000 RPM, I call it the AK-47 mode. If you give it a bit to 5,000, let it go.
Oh, no. Wow.
And 6,000 RPM is war. Crazy, yeah?
It's insane. It's absolute. It's lost for words.
Perfect.
Motivational. That's the word.
If you're happy, I'm happy too, man.
Just shows why you need to work hard.
Exactly, man. It's a lot of people says I will never buy this. It's too expensive. Nah. But when you drive it and you get the feeling of it, you want 10 of them.
It was unbelievable.
Yes, amazing.
It was.
If you're happy, I'm happy, bro.
Best experience.
Put the P here to park. There you go. Just drove a Hurricane.
It.
I have to film this face. I have to film it. Hit it.